Hello everybody and welcome to this tutorial on yet another opportunity to come and work for the EU institutions. We have published a competition to select statisticians, and in this visual you see the 5 steps to take to become a successful candidate. And in the next few minutes I will walk you through these 5 steps and explain in detail what they entail. First of all, this competition has 2 separate fields. Field 1 is Data and Statistics on grade AD6. And field 2 is Macroeconomic Statistics on grade AD7. On the next slide I will explain the difference between grade AD6 and AD7. As a candidate you have to choose one of these fields only, because you cannot apply for both in the same time. You need to meet a number of eligibility criteria. For the first field, Data and Statistics, it is an AD6 grade competition, which means that either you need a relevant master plus 3 years of relevant professional experience minimum, or a relevant bachelor degree plus 4 years of relevant experience, or a bachelor in another field than the relevant ones, plus at least 6 years of experience. Now, in the notice of competition, which is the legal document explaining the whole competition, you will find it on the landing page of this competition here. You will find what we mean to say with relevant degree and relevant professional experience. You will find a list of accepted degrees, and you will find a list of areas and activities in which you must have gained your professional experience to be eligible. So go have a look there to see if you qualify and if you are eligible for this competition. The second field, Macroeconomic Statistics, is on grade 87, and this means that it requires more professional experience. As you can see here, you need either a relevant master plus at least 6 years of experience in the field, or a relevant bachelor plus at least 7 years of experience, or another bachelor plus at least 8 years of relevant experience. Again, you will find a list of accepted degrees and professional experience in the notice of competition. When it comes to languages, you need to master 2 different EU languages. So we test in 2 different languages. One of your test languages must be at level C1 minimum, and the other language must be at level B2 minimum. For both your test languages 1 and 2, you have the free choice between the 24 official EU languages. The selection procedure follows the course as you can see on this slide here. It starts with an application, of course. Then you will be invited to come and sit a number of tests, and then there is a results phase. Important to know is that the testing is all remote. You do not have to travel to a physical test center. You can simply sit these tests from your home computer. Now, when it comes to application, first of all, you need an EPSO account. If you have one, you use that account to apply. If you don't have one yet, you can easily create an account and then you can apply for this competition. You can apply on our home page, and you can fill your application in any of the 24 official EU languages. Make sure you validate your application the latest on 16 July of this year. We will then also invite you to upload your supporting documents, so your degrees and your proofs of professional experience, by the 1st of October this year. When it comes to testing, you will sit 3 different tests. First of all, we test your reasoning skills. We test your numerical, verbal and abstract reasoning skills. And as you can see in the last column, this is a pass-fail test. So you need to score at least 6 out of 10 for numerical reasoning and 15 out of 30 combined for verbal and abstract reasoning, as I said, combined. You will sit this test in your first test language. I suggest you go and have a look on our website to our sample tests to make yourself familiar with the level of difficulty of these questions and the format of these questions. So go have a look there and you can train a bit. The second test is a field-related test where we test your knowledge in the field of your choosing in statistics here. You will sit this test in your language 2, and this time your score will be ranked. So just reaching the pass score of 15 out of 30 will very probably not be enough to be among the best performing candidates. So you need to score as high as possible to secure a place on the list of successful candidates at the end of the testing. The last test is a written test, again in your second language, and again a pass-fail score, so you just need to reach 5 out of 10. And in this test we assess your written communication skills. You have to develop a subject in a free text format. And up front we will provide you with documentation related to the area of statistics to prepare you for this test. The best ones are the candidates who have scored at least the minimum pass mark for both the reasoning skills test and the written test, and who have one of the highest marks in the second test, the field related test. And those people are the successful people listed on this list of successful people, or this reserve list. And this is the basis for recruitment. So when a service has a vacancy, they will consult this list, invite a number of people who seem to match the vacancy to a job interview, and the best match will be offered the job. If you have more questions, first of all, as I said, read the notice of competition very carefully, because it will answer most of your questions that you have in your mind. If you still have questions and if you want to reach out to us, you can always do so by our contact form, which you will find on the website. Also follow EU Careers on our social media channels to stay up to date on this competition and future occasions. For now, all the best of luck with this competition, and hope to see you soon in a new tutorial, which I will surely publish in the coming months. Bye bye.